You can't just come any old type of way with a bob. What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel. XOXO Sheba here. If you're new to my channel, hello and welcome. And if you're an OG subscriber, what's good? Welcome back. I have this cute little water wave bob for you guys today. It's a simple, easy, beginner-friendly wig. It's actually my first time trying a water wave bob, so I was like, okay, that's a little different, but I like it. So if you're interested in this cute bob look, keep on watching. We are working with a closure today, so the ball cap is gonna be real simple and real easy, even though I end up cutting most of my ball caps to end up looking like this anyway. It's kind of funny when you think about it. Y'all know I'm in love with this Ebin lace spray. It's so amazing. And I say this every video, but it is just so amazing. And I thought I was gonna run out by the time I finished this video because I bought a small can, just trying it out. And I didn't have much left. And I was like, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to finish this video with this. I hope I am. I did end up making it, spoiler alert, but I was a little concerned. I was like, maybe I shouldn't use this on a ball cap, but it does so well for ball caps. I'm gonna tint it up right quick using some powdered foundation. I have the L'Oreal Infallible foundation here, and I have it in, I think, copper. Yeah, I think this one's copper. I have two of them, and I think this one's copper. Once I cut off the ball cap, I always like to take a little bit of the yellow tube got to be glued. I mean, you could use a clear tube, but I just never have the clear tube. But I'm just using a little bit of that, a very small amount, because you don't want to use too much because then it gets messy. And I just roll the cap back down so that way it looks a lot more seamless. So here's Miss Girl. She is a 14-inch water wave bob with a 4x4 closure. I'm just going to spray her down right quick using the Ebin lace spray again. I will say I felt like this unit, I noticed immediately it was a little bit snug. So a little more on the small head friendly side. I think it still works. It wasn't uncomfortable. I definitely think like it's in a position where you could wear it glueless, but it is slightly tight. Now, I wasn't thinking here, y'all, I'm supposed to blow dry before I put on the elastic band. I just put it straight on while the lace spray was still wet. Not what you want to do. I feel like it takes longer to dry when you put the band just straight on it like that. After it was dry, I went ahead and took my hot comb to it and just pushed those hairs back, getting them ready for me, which I should have did after I plucked the unit earlier before I put this video together. But I forgot to do that too. I didn't have my life together filming, y'all. But yeah, just to know, I did pluck and bleach the knots off camera. I do have a full customization video of how I do everything completely start to finish. If you want to check that out, I will have it down in the description box so you can see all that. I should have made sure my forehead was clean beforehand, but I didn't do that either. Y'all, I mean, it's talking about good, but there's just little steps I was just not thinking about doing when I did this. But nonetheless, you know, still the hair wig killer. It still all comes together. But yeah, I'm just cleaning off the lace on my forehead a little bit so that way there's no like residue or anything mixing with like foundations and lace sprays and glues and all that stuff. And now is the actual time that I will be putting on my elastic band. Now, clearly, because this is a 4x4 closure, we will be doing a middle part here. I was a little bit nervous, I'm not gonna lie to you, because I don't typically do bob middle parts. It's not always my thing. So I was like, we're gonna see how this works. I've also never tried water wave in a bob before either, so I was curious about that as well. So the whole time I was just like, we're gonna see how this works. Y'all know how I do. I'm just like, we're gonna see how this goes when I gotta try something new. Next, we're gonna wax it down and hot comb it and just get everything nice and laying flat up top. You know we live for a flat install. I also used a little bit of my liquid foundation on my forehead. It's the Maybelline Fit Me in warm coconut, and I'm just using that to make sure that the lace matches my skin tone again since I cleaned it off earlier. I am adding baby hair, just going light with it, my usual. I will at some point maybe learn how to do the cursive edges, but I just feel like we talk about this. I got a little forehead, and I just feel like I don't have enough forehead to be trying to do all them cursive edges. I barely have enough forehead to try and do bangs. If I let this go, you can't tell nobody, I'm telling nobody. I hope you're responsible. I'm not just anybody. If I let this go, you can't tell nobody, I'm telling nobody. I hope you're responsible. If I let this go, you can't tell nobody, I'm telling nobody. I hope you're responsible. I'm not just anybody. If I let this go, you can't tell nobody, I'm telling nobody. I hope you're responsible. I'm not just anybody. If I let this go, you can't tell nobody, I'm telling nobody. I hope you're responsible. I'm not just anybody. I wasn't necessarily going for a full-out wet look, so I didn't use any water when I went to define these curls or anything. I just used my Aussie curling cream. That's all I used on the hair. I wanted like a little more definition, but still a little more volume than like the whole wet look was gonna give me. If I let this go, you can't tell nobody, I'm telling nobody. I hope you're responsible. I'm not just anybody. If I let this go. Now I liked it and everything, but I felt like it was just missing something. You know, when it's a bob, it needs to be like real tapered. So I decided to go ahead and trim the ends so it would be a nice blunt cut. Skeptical, but I actually like this a lot, especially once I tapered the ends and just cut them a little bit to make it more just put together. Y'all know I've really been into like cutting and layering and blunt ends and all that right now, so I did that to this as well. And I just feel like a bob needs blunt ends. Like a bob really needs to be tapered. You can't just come any old type of way with a bob. And I think this is really cute. This is very easy to style. I did not have to use many products at all. I really didn't have to do much as besides parting it and all that. I didn't want to change the length too much from what they sent me to promote, but I might cut this even shorter because I feel like it'd be real cute if it was like a almost like neck length or maybe a chin length bob. Maybe not chin length, but like right in here. I think that would be super cute, but I didn't want to cut it too much. Definitely beginner friendly unit because, you know, it's a closure, so it's not going to take you much to have to lay it down. As y'all saw, it was super easy for me to do that. Didn't need to do a whole bob cap, wasn't necessary. This is a really quick and easy install. I'm here for the water wave bob. It's super cute. And the hair feels amazing. It's so soft. I noticed a little bit of shedding, but I did feel like that came from the fact that I plucked it. And after I plucked it, I didn't really do much with it because I plucked it when I plucked a bunch of other wigs. So it could have still had shedding in it, and I just needed to brush it out because after I brushed it out, it seems like it's doing well. I'm not getting a bunch of shedding or anything really coming out of the hair anymore. So if you're interested in this unit, I will have all the details down below in the description box for you. Shout out to Nadula for sending me this gorgeous little bob here. Thank you guys so much for watching. As always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.